Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the MacBook Air. Now you can see this is a M2 2022 and the chip is M2 and the RAM is 24 gigabyte and the storage is 256 gigabyte and you can see the cycle count 202 times and the battery capacity is 94% and you can see this is a keyboard and a starlight color, a beautiful color. You can see no scratch here, no scratch. The trackpad function, you can see the trackpad function, no problem. The trackpad and not a scratch. Okay, no scratch here. And let me show you the. Okay, you can see some little scratches here. The logo, a little scratch, and you can see this the surface. No scratch, no scratch. Here is a little scratch here, and also a little scratch here. Okay, this is M224, 256 gigabyte, and you can see the port. Okay, a little bit of traces of use, and the corner. Okay, a little scratch here. You can see a little scratch here, and you can see this edge. No problem with edge, no scratch. Okay, let me show you the other side. Okay, this corner, a little scratch here. Okay, no problem. The headphone jack. Oh, no problem. The headphone jack, and you can see a little scratch here, little scratch, and no scratch here, no scratch. Okay. Okay, only some little scratch. Okay, let me show you the display. Okay, let me change the wallpaper. I change the wallpaper and color. Okay, you can see the green is no problem. The display is okay. Okay, the display no problem. And let me show you another color. Dark green. Okay, no problem. No bright spot, no dark spots. And this price is about 4,700 CNY. Okay, and let me show you the red color. Okay, no problem. Red color also no problem. If you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, you can add my WhatsApp and subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook. Okay, so you can see this. Show you one more time the specification: the M2 chip and the 24 gigabytes. Storage is 256 gigabytes, and the battery capacity. The battery capacity is 202 times and 94% of the battery capacity. Okay, this is the M2 Air. Okay, see you in the next video.